Hello everyone, myself Rishikesh with Pratik Shetty, Jayesh Putlabattini and Roshan Patel. So we are Team Devshaks and we have worked on the project named Social Crypt, which comes under peace and justice, which is uh, which is in United Nations 17 Sustainable Goals. So, why we have worked on social crypt? Nowadays, what we used to see is many information is being spread on social medias. Okay, but it can be difficult to tell the difference between credible information and misinformation online. So to solve this problem, social crypt provide users with a solution that lets discover the truth behind the articles they read. This application analyzes articles and detect misleading or propaganda information or coordinated bot activity. Also, we can see like social media of the social media of the same information. Also, that we need to check whether the source which have provided the information is authentic or not. And there are like lot many stuff. So we just need to put our article and we get to know the whole report of it. So whether we should trust on that article or not, because what we used to see that the news article or any other news forums used to spread misinformation, propaganda, or defamation about any organization or any individual person just to get the popularity. Okay, and many researchers or the news forms got misled according to that, and they used to spread the same, which actually creates imbalance in the society and disturbs the peace around us. So social crypt is the solution. You need to remain informed and make informed decision, whether if you are a journalist or researcher or simply concerned about the reliability of the information you consume. So let's see the demonstration of the social crypt. So here you can see we have we'll put just the article link here. So you can see here, the article is CN BC article which is related to Ukraine war. Okay, so I have not read the article yet, and we have just pasted it here. So we get to know the summary of it. Okay, so we don't need to read the whole and then make a judgment on that. So for that we have used the BERT English EN model. Then here via cloud we get to see okay which are the words which are being most used in this. So you get to know okay Russia, NATO. So it's related to European United Nations and like European nations and Russia like that. Then we can see the article sentiment analysis. So particularly what are the key elements that we are working on are identification, assessment, and actioning. Identification works on the content which has been present in the article. Assessment is the social media presence of that article, or what is the behavior of crowd towards the article. And actioning is what action you should take as an individual. So here we have applied article sentiment analysis just to understand about what type of content or is there any manipulative content or any defamation going on. So what it does, it actually labels it from the four labels, whether it's acceptable, offensive, inappropriate, or violent. And we get to see that 95% is acceptable and 5% is offensive. Okay, so now we'll move towards other analysis to understand about it more. So next comes assessment, which Pratik will explore.
Thank you, Rishikesh. So let us understand about the assessment part. Now, as we have seen about the identification of the news article and its origin, let's see how it is performs on the social media. Social media is a powerful tool. It can quickly spread any rumors or it can fire any conclusions very fast. So, how to stop and eradicate this type of false rumors or fake propagandistic news? For that, we have propaganda classification, wherein we have used Roberta propaganda classification model that is trained over 30,000 plus articles that contains propaganda or not propaganda classification label. It has over 93% of accuracy. Then we have used Vader model to conduct Twitter sentiment analysis to learn about how public is reacting to such kind of news tweeted. So you can see it's mostly negative and then a little bit of positive and very barely uh, neutral and positive, like most of it is negative. Then there is a Twitter dashboard that lets us understand the Twitter activity of such kind of news articles by the origin source. As you can see, there are 33 tweets, 27 total retweets, and 83 likes. And then these are our one of the key features that really stands out is authentic check. So authenticity check is done using 1,000 plus blacklisted Google sources, origin news sources. So it runs a filter check to see if the news article, the source of it is already present in this blacklisted list or not. If not, then the source is authentic, and we are adding more such blacklisted domains so we can identify them. And then there is behavior of tweets on the closer proximity of the tweeted time. So for example, in 10 seconds, if there are 10 plus tweets, then it might be a bot activity, so there will be detection. Also, it detects high frequency of users. For example, here val list headlines, CNBC, I, these are highest activity users on this domain. Then here is a easy conclusion, so anybody can understand about okay what we concluded from this analysis. So propaganda, this article seems to be genuine and has no propaganda behind it. And then it is also authentic as it is not from a blacklisted source, it's from a trusted source. Then there is no unusual behavior or bot activity on this. So this lets us understand how the social analysis can be done for an article, and we can understand if it's a genuine article or it's a fake or propagandistic article. So this helps maintain peace in the community and stop from misspreading rumors or fake type of news, and can help people consume healthy content. So this was our solution for the UN problem statement that falls under the peace domain. Thank you.
Thank you.